Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it is the 9th update for my rolling year-long project pan, and as I say every month, I'm so just proud of myself for this project. Every month I have like at least one empty, and I'm just like just so proud of myself for finishing so much stuff. I'm really enjoying this project. Yeah, I'm loving it. So yeah, if you are new to my channel and you enjoy project pan videos and haul videos and empty videos, definitely hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this update. But also let me know any project pan videos you've got on your channels, if you've got any, so I can check them out, because I'm obsessed with panning. My empty for this month is the Secret Sass Champagne and Strawberries fragrance mist. I have to like really concentrate when I say that, because apparently that's a tongue twister for me. But yeah, this is, I got this from Poundland, but I'm pretty sure if you Google this you can find other stockists for it. Poundland is obviously the cheapest place, but this seems to be a brand that mimics the Victoria's Secret ones. Didn't love this. Although kind of glad I picked it up from this brand, because it would be definitely one that I would maybe consider getting from Victoria's Secret, because it sounds like something I'd love. No. Just an odd scent. Like no hint of strawberry to it. Just a little bit champagne-y, but just I didn't really like it. So I'm very happy that I've got another body spray out of my collection, and now I can focus a bit more on the one from my 6 by Santa project. I have two nail products. One is a polish, one is accessory. Both these I added in last month. This is the nail polish, and it has like hardly any progress, because this thing was filled to the top. It was brand new when I put it in. It's a Primark nail polish. I've got a trio of nude polishes. There was like a peachy nude, which I've decluttered because it just not for me. There was like a terracotta-y nude, which I love. Haven't used that though. And then this one, which is like a taupey mauvey nude. And yeah, it was like filled to like the top, like to where the lid is, essentially. So my progress line is I'm now down to here, down to like where the bottle starts actually, like, you know, I've used this 3 times, potentially 4. Yeah, this, like a few of the products, many of the current products I would say actually, is going to be one that's going to be chugging along for a few months. And I'm actually not too confident this is going to be done by the end of the year, but whatever, we'll see how it goes. The nail accessory is this glitter from eBay. It's just like a lilac purple glitter, but when you put it on, it basically comes across as like white. And I put it on my tips when I painted my nails yesterday. This nail's already chipped, and this, but I kind of smudged that one anyway. But it's already kind of like chipping off. I don't remember, because I've done this before and I've used it all over like my accent nail, and it's lasted quite well, so I just don't think it works on like the tips. But I went from here to like, and now I'm at like the middle of the jar. So I'm thinking it may go quicker now that the pot's gonna like taper in. They are eye safe, those glitters. I just rarely use glitter, like loose glitter on my eyes, because it's a mess. So I'm probably just going to keep that as a nail glitter, but it looks really nice with this polish, so quite happy for that to take its time, because the polish will. For the face products, I have my Primark My Perfect Colour Loose Mineral Powder in Ivory. Really don't like this. Really glad it's probably going to be done next month, because I'm down to here. So I've just got a little bottom bit left. Hopefully it's going to be done. I'm really hoping, because I don't love it. It would have been done, I say this every, like, I've mentioned this before, it would have been done sooner, but I have to mix it with another powder, because on its own this is hideous. I've just bought like a banana powder from MUA, which is super yellow by the way. and I just mixed them together in a different pot, and that's how I've been using it. So it's going very steady progress on that. My 17 Define and Conquer Contour Kit. This, I've repressed the highlight powder, so it's like a highlighter, like a brightening setting powder. And I've made some progress since I've repressed it, but I use it every day, so I know it will be done. It's just I've repressed it quite firmly, and it's always been quite a firmly pressed powder, so it's not super quick going, but because I use it every day, I'm not worried. And then the bronzer, I don't know if I expanded. I think I expanded the pan a little bit. It's not, I don't know, I don't want to repress it just yet. I'll probably give it another month and then repress it. Then I've got my All Day Soiree Iron Cheek palette from Sleek. I'm actually filming this video on the 18th of September, so like at least a week earlier than I normally would film it because of this palette. And that is because there is 3 things in here at least that need repressing, and I wanted to show it with you before I repress them. So when like my October update will have a lot more progress, I'm imagining, because it'll be like 5 weeks worth of progress. But this has 4 eyeshadows from the Del Mar Volume 2 palette, and then these 2 are blushes, but this is like, I use it as a highlight and I mix it with other highlights. So I want to franken this with another highlight, but wanted to share with you how big the pan is now, because the old franken I made with it this month is all used up. The blusher was like a baby pink, but then I frankened it with California, a bit of California from Benefit, which is in my 6 by Santa project. I just took some of that, frankened them, very nice colour, and because, you know, finally was able to get some Surgical Spirit. And then this matte brown colour, and then this corally shade, like a peachy shade, both have side pan, which I don't think we'll be able to see, but I've hit like a really good side pan on these. They need repressing like so badly, and I'll probably repress this highlight shade as well. This shade is good for now. And I was actually a little bit worried about these 2 shades because I added this in August, and I was kind of like, oh my god, I'm only really getting another month of like summery weather, month or 2. But once it gets to like October, I'm not going to be wanting to wear peachy tones, but I have this on today, and I've been wearing it a lot when I do like a red lip, and you honestly can't tell it's like that peachy, especially when I have my glasses on. I feel like when you wear glasses, it kind of makes anything you're wearing on your eyes like a little bit less bold anyway. So I feel like this probably has another like 2 months left in it. My Ico Fat Eye Stick in the shade Satin. This is how much I have left. It's just like a taupe cream shadow that I can use every day. There's a lot of products in right now that I'm like, are they gonna be done? That nail polish, the glitter, the contour kit, this. I'm like, are they gonna be done for the finale? If they're not, I'm not gonna be like super mad at myself because I finished so much already. But I made good progress on it this month. I went from this pink line to this pink line. I couldn't find the pen I normally use. But there definitely seems to be more than 3 months in here. I think it'll be cutting it very fine with getting the cream shadow done, but we'll see. My eyeliner, this is the Model Co pencil liner in black. This is what I have left. It's broken from the container. Haven't made as much progress as last month, but you know, like I said, it's only been like 3 weeks, so. But I have all the confidence that I'm going to get this finished, especially. I have no doubts that this will be done. My Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker in Punch Bowl. This is again one of those things I'm like, is it going to be done? I'm going to be so mad if it's not. I have this on right now. It's just like a pink lip gloss. And every month I feel like it's nearly done, and then it's not. But I also don't give this as much attention as I should. If I used this like 3 times a week, it would probably be done. But that would also mean I'd have to reapply. And I've said before with these glosses, when I've had them in project pans, because they're so sticky, you don't really need to reapply them. But there's windows in there, and if I shine a light, and I can see there's quite a lot gone, but there's also still, it's going to be into the end. And this, I've made like hardly any progress this month, which is so disheartening. But I may do what I've done with other lipsticks like Pam before on this and try to wear it flat. We'll see. It's my Revlon lipstick in Pink Pout. It's the Super Lustrous Matte. I really enjoy this lipstick. I reapply it when I wear it. I like it. I wear it like 2 or 3 times a week. It's just hard when you have like 2 different lip products that you're trying to use up. But there's like hardly any progress. I don't think you'll be able to see my minuscule progress. So I'm tempted to try and just like wear down the point. I don't know, I don't know. This could again potentially be into the end, but I really like that colour, so it's not an issue. And then the product I'm adding in is going to be this brow cream from Bang Beauty. This is in dark brown. And this thing is like super dry, but I can still make it work. I've probably got about half of it left. I was really annoyed with myself because I got this in a glossy box last year and didn't use it because I was trying to use up other things. And then when I pulled it out to use like this summer, it was completely dried out, which I stored it upside down. I'd opened it when I got it, and then it didn't open it anymore. So I'm like annoyed with myself, but also like, should that have dried out? But woo! This will be hard to track progress on, but we're gonna try and use that up. I'm sure I will. So that is everything. Ow! I hit myself in the nose. If you enjoyed this update, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all. There's a nursery down my road, and they're all currently playing outside, and I can hear them. Yes. Until I see you all next time, have a lovely day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye everyone.